Hey guys, I just wanted to do a real quick video here and let you know where I'm at with my process for adoption with Fiesta. Right now, we're kind of at a weird spot here. I have to wait for me to have this cage set up. This cage is massive. I just want to show you. I am 5'5". See that? 5'5". And the cage is coming up to approximately my eyebrow. So it's huge. It's massive. Oh my gosh, it's massive. But yeah, so this is how I have the cages set up right now. I gotta go get stuff from Walmart to finish the bird cage process. So you can see we have had to move stuff around. And when I come back and I'm done with the DIY toys for all the birds, not just Fiesta, I'll go ahead and make a video and post that one too. And I'm thinking about